my dear children, welcome back to our EVS class. In our last class, we discussed about sense organs and senses, right? Then say how many sense organs do we have? Yes, very good. We have 5 sense organs. Which are the 5 sense organs? Yes, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Shall we start our today's class? Look here, my dear children. Here we can see a boy. What he is doing? Yes, he is washing his hands. The name of the boy is Ramu. When the bell rang, Ramu and his friends moved towards the canteen. Why he moved towards the canteen? Yes, he felt hungry. So, when the bell rang, Ramu and his friends moved towards the canteen and he forgot to wash his hands, right? Dear children, what happens if we do not wash hands before meals? When we eat without washing our hands, the germs and the dirt particles that are left on our fingers and nails can be transferred to the inside of our mouth, and this may cause illness and infection. So what we have to do to avoid such conditions? Yes, we have to wash our hands very well before eating any food. Okay dears, have you understood? Our next topic is towards cleanliness. Here we can see 3 children and they were collecting water from a bucket and filled the water into 2 glasses. But there is a color change in the 2 glasses, right? What may be the reason for this color change? Yes, in one of the glass along with water there are some dirt particles. Does we use this water for washing hands? No. Why? If we use the dirty water to wash our hands before eating, along with food, dirty particles get enter into the mouth and it may cause several diseases. My dear children, do you know what is lunch? Yes, lunch is the meal that is eaten in the midday. Nowadays, in most of government schools, provide a lunch for the students. Do you know why the government schools provide lunch for the students? Because there are many children in our country who do not have food even once a day. And if they reach a school without eating food, they will not be able to study well. So, the Supreme Court of our nation declared an important judgment, that is to prepare food for all students of primary schools. So, the government of India has taken steps to ensure the judgment of Supreme Court and they provide food for all the students. Dear children, do you think what happens if we do not get enough food to eat? If there is a lack of food, it leads to starvation. Starvation means suffering caused by the lack of food. We know that food is one of the basic needs of our life. There are so many children in our country, they do not get enough food to eat. So, we don't waste food. Okay, my dear children, have you understood? My dear children, do all members in your house have food together? Which do you like more, eating alone or eating with others? Okay, so let's do this activity. Write down the instances when we sit down to have food with many people. Okay, my dear children, will you do this activity? Okay, dears, that's all for today's section. See you in the next class. Thank you.